Still trying to get your first order? Well, in this video, we're going to look at a secret way to get your first sale on Fiverr. First of all, this is not SEO. SEO doesn't work if you don't already have reviews built up, because Fiverr is not going to want to promote you if they don't know they can trust you yet. This makes getting your first sale very difficult. So, what is the secret method? The secret method is something known as buyer's request. This allows you to respond directly to people needing services and get your gig actually seen. It's especially effective if your gig allows for repeat work, and best of all, it's completely free. The only downside is you can only do 10 a day, so make the most of it. So to do this, you're gonna want to go to the main menu, click on More, and then click on Buyer's Requests. This will take you to a list of people actively looking for services. You can see there's over 500 services right now, but remember, you can only do 10 a day. So some tips: have a pre-written script and always use that. You can copy and paste this script every time you respond to a new request. Also, try to choose requests that have the fewest responses, as it gives you a better chance to compete if you have less competition. So, now let's look for a job we're interested in. Let's just say, for instance, we're a programmer and we find this gig here. I'm looking for a website to be created for my music recording company. Only 25 people have responded. We have 7 days to do the job and it pays $100. Not too bad. So if we apply for this, the first thing you need to do is write a description. What most people do with this is they write a bad description, something like, "Yes, I will do that." You want to write something that will make you stand out. Say, "Hello, I would love to create a website for your music recording company. I have a lot of experience in designing websites. I only charge $100 for the service and will provide 2 revisions. I have been working in the field for this long and have worked on projects such as this. My ideas for the website is a light blue background with this. I would love to work on this with you. If you would like to see my past projects, please let me know and I will provide you with my portfolio. I look forward to working with you and please don't hesitate to contact me. Best regards, your name." This is a much better description. You're now gonna want to put the amount you charge, how long you will take, and the amount of revisions you offer. And submit. This strategy has allowed me to get over 42 5-star reviews, where you can then start growing organically. Hopefully, it will also help you. If you found this tip helpful, it would be amazing if you could give this video a like. Let me know what you think or any other tips you might have in the comments. And please consider subscribing to my channel. And I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.